Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope everything is going well in your life. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. Guys, I am not a makeup artist. Like, I am not into makeup. I'm not even an aspiring makeup artist. I just learn from other YouTubers and all that. So some people have asked me to do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So here goes. So what you need is a brown eyeliner, a flat brush, your concealer, and your foundation. Yeah. And if you don't have a flat brush, you can use cotton bud. Okay, so I actually use this more than this. I'll be honest. So I'll be showing on one eye. I'm going to be using a brush to clean out my eyebrow, and one I'll be using an earbud. Okay, so this is what you need to do. I also have a mirror in front of me, so if you see me looking down, I'm literally looking at the mirror. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that your eyebrows, you trim your eyebrows and follow the shape that your natural shape that your eyebrows have. And I normally focus on my tail because that's what I want, my tail to be sort of like sleek. Yeah. And then what you need, you grab your brown pencil, make sure that it's quite nice and sharp, and you draw a line, lift your brow up. That's how I do it. If I do it like this, I don't really get that precision that I want. But if my brow is lifted up like this, that's how I manage to get the precision that I want. So I start by lightly drawing a line on the lower lash. So that would sort of define my lash. So you see I've drawn a line on this brow. So you do it very lightly, don't make it too dark. And then you do the same thing to the other eyebrow. And once you've done that, you then draw the upper part. So the upper part you don't draw from the beginning, you just draw maybe from the middle part of your eyebrow. Like that. Already, if you can see here already, my tail is sort of like shaped. And then you do the same thing on the other eyebrow. Once you've done that, then you just fill in lightly. Just fill in lightly. If you have a heavy hand, that's fine. You can always find a way to lighten up your brow as you go along once you're done with cleaning up your brow. So if you can see, I'm not holding my pencil here. I'm holding it towards the back of my pencil. So that would allow me to do like light strokes instead of pressing down. Because if you press down, that's when you then achieve like a very dark brow. And then you do the same thing to the other brow. Lightly as you can, because you don't want to have like a very dark brow. and then you're done with that. So once you're done with that, can you see how it looks? Doesn't look nice at all. So what you need to do now is to clean up your brow. So I'll start by using the concealer to clean up my brow and the brush. So you apply as much as you want to on your brush. But also another thing, if you're not going to be wearing an eyeshadow, I would advise that you don't put too much concealer on your brows. And then this is what you do. You literally follow that line that you drew using your brush with the concealer. Can you see the nice beautiful curve that you create when you're cleaning up your brows? And then if you feel like you use too much concealer and you don't want to put eyeshadow for the day, you can actually use the other side of the brush because it's clean for you to blend out. But if you're going to be putting eyeshadow, you can just use the same side. And then you blend out. And then the top part, I don't normally use any product. I just use the same brush to clean up the top part because I don't want it to be too harsh. So I'm just going to use the same thing without adding any more concealer on the brush. So my brush had a lot of product. As you can see, the line is so defined. I'm just going to dust it off on a paper towel, a kitchen paper towel. Literally, I always have a kitchen paper towel to dust off my brushes while I'm doing my makeup. And then I just go back in and reduce that harshness on my line. And also what you can do, another hack that I can tell you guys is when you're doing the upper lash, you can use your foundation. It's much better than using the concealer because the concealer, it's lighter than your normal shade, so that's why it becomes so bright and harsh. And then another hack is if you feel that you've created a square shape on this part of your eyebrow, you can use the same brush and then just lightly brush upwards so that you lighten up that part and you sort of clean up that square shape because you don't want a brow that is square at the beginning. You want it to sort of have that natural kind of look. And if you feel your brow is too dark, you can actually do the same thing on your whole brow in order for you to make a lighter brow. So you see how it looks. And then on my other eye, I'm going to be using my foundation to clean up my brow. So I normally use my foundation to clean up my brow if I'm not going to be putting on any eyeshadow. If you want that sleek, natural kind of look, then I would recommend that you use your foundation, the one that you normally use on your skin. So I literally just pump and then add some foundation on my earbud, and then I do the same thing that I did on the other eye and clean up my brow. And then I do the same thing on my upper brow. Literally the same thing. So you see, when you're using your foundation, you can't really even see any product at all because it's your foundation that is a true match to your complexion, so you don't see anything at all. And really, if you don't want to put any foundation, this would be the trick to use your foundation. And then you lightly brush up this part, the front part, because you don't want a square brow, or you don't want your brow to be literally dark from beginning to end. So you just want to lighten up this part and you're done. That's it, literally you are done. So can you see the difference? This side, it's lighter because I used the, what you call this thing, lento guys, concealer. And then on this side, you can't see any harsh line or anything. It's more natural because I used my foundation. Let me just come closer so you guys can see. Yeah, so that's it. There's really no other way I can explain it. Like, that's how I do it on a day-to-day basis. Thank you guys for watching. So let me know if you would want me to do more videos of how I do my makeup and how I just mix masala my makeup. I don't follow any makeup rules. I just do what works for me because I'm not a makeup artist. And yeah, I just do really what works for me and what is faster. Okay, that guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep well. Ta-da for now. Bye.